exaggeration is a useful ingredient for expressing a feeling or a situation more vividly. When you say the story is heartbreaking, it doesn't mean that your heart has broken into pieces, not really. This is just an expression, an exaggerated one, to express how deeply you are disappointed. Few more examples. Nail biting, a nail biting situation. The match between Australia and New Zealand was full of suspense. 1 minute it looked Australia would win, the other minute it looked New Zealand would win. Nobody knew what would be the result. It was so nail biting. Again, doesn't mean that everybody started biting his nail during the match. One more example, breathtaking. You are on the top of the Himalayas, looking down the vast stretch valley. That's a breathtaking view, isn't that? One more example, mind-blowing. You watched a dance performance. Dancers were so graceful in their bending that it blew your mind. Not literally, just an exaggerated way of saying it was incredibly amazing. So it was mind-blowing. It's very cold. Oh, very cold. It's blood freezing cold. Blood freezing cold. This is an expression, blood freezing cold. Well, not literally your blood has turned into ice, but exaggeration. Thank you. Bye for now.